Your TI-84 Evo has a Polynomial Root Finder built into it, and it'll solve a quadratic for you without the formula. It's one of the apps on the grid. Press the On key to bring that grid up. Arrow across to the icon that reads P of x equals 0. The bar along the top names it Polynomial Root Finder. If this icon is missing from your grid, you'll need to reinstall the operating system. The guide for that is linked in the description. Press Enter to open it up, and it starts you on a setup screen. Order is the highest exponent in your equation. The highest exponent in a quadratic is the 2 from x squared, so we can leave this as is. So press Next, which is the graph key. Those 5 labels along the bottom of the screen belong to the 5 keys in the top row. This is the screen where your equation goes, and we'll solve the one at the top of the screen, 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Start by typing 2 and press Enter. The highlight jumps across to the sign. The signs between the terms are boxes of their own, and they take the plus and minus keys. Ours is a plus, so press plus and then Enter. Type 3 and press Enter. This one's a minus, so press the subtraction key, not the negative key, and then Enter. Type 2 and press Enter one more time. That's our equation. Now choose Solve by pressing the graph key again. Both roots come back at once. x1 is -2, and x2 is 1/2. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.